Happy Transformation Tuesday. I'm Jezlan. This is a special edition of what's normally my talk show, EVERTALK Live. Now, I usually come from the studio, but now, of course, we're safer at home. But my mission is still the same. I want to inspire you. Hey, Rob Mac Official. I wish you were here with me right now. I want to entertain. I want to empower you. And today I have a very special guest joining me. Her name is Reema Kahn. She is a celebrity makeup artist. She's the founder of the Brow Bar by Reema, there we go, which is one of Beverly Hills' newest beauty and wellness destinations. And of course, since we're all sheltering in place and can't go visit her in Beverly Hills, I thought I'd bring her to us. Hey guys, thanks so much for checking in. So I'm super excited about that. I'm just waiting for Reema to request. Hey Raquel, hey Rob Mac. I miss you guys so much. So this has been really exciting for me, and I know many of you have been struggling with keeping up your glam at home. Our nails are a mess, our hair has roots, our skin is freaking out because of face masks, like what happened to me just the other day. So I figured getting a good solid brow might be a great distraction. So when I got the email that Reema was available, I knew I had to go live with her. In fact, she's doing something that's the first of the kind in the beauty industry. With purchases of over $30, she's actually shipping hand sanitizer. And we all need hand sanitizer because that is definitely scarce right now. In fact, the story even made the Daily Mail, which is really exciting. And the campaign stars, hey, there you are, Reema, yours truly, and models like Rachel McCord, of course. So it's really exciting. Here she is. I am going to accept your request right now. Reema, okay. I cannot wait. Let's see. Hopefully, any minute now. There she is.
Hi.
Gorgeous.
How are you?
Oh, I'm so happy to see you. I miss you. I trust that you are safe and well.
Yes, I am. Thank you.
It's, you know, normally we get to cross paths on red carpets and some of the most glamorous events, including the daytime Emmys. I miss you so much. And, you know, we miss being able to go visit you in Beverly Hills.
Yes, I miss you too. Yeah, you guys can come anytime.
Well, that'll be one of the first places I go when we're not sheltering in place. But I was just saying to some of my followers that we've been struggling with keeping up with glam, right? I mean, doing DIY glam at home has not been easy. So later I want to do a little tutorial with you if you're up for it.
Sure.
I've got some great products. Thank you very much for sending them my way. But I wanted to get to something first, and that is the good you are doing right now. You're shipping sanitizers out with some of your products. Can you tell us a little bit about that initiative?
Well, we thought that why not give it back to our, our consumers, our customers. So because we don't have, like, we went to go shopping and we don't find this anymore. So I thought, why not give it out to our wonderful, loyal clients? So that was the driving force.
Well, we really appreciate that. I mean, you always have such a heart. You've always been giving back. I know there were other initiatives, Women Empowerment Initiative, Feeding the Beauty Within, that you've been a part of. You have such a heart, Reema.
Thank you so much. Thank you. You're being kind.
Oh, of course. Hey, Tanya. Thanks for checking in. Okay, so let's get to it. First of all, I got this great brush set. You're still shipping products, correct?
Yes, we are. Yes.
Amazing. So tell everyone where they can get, you know, some of these really great Hollywood icon sets.
Well, if they want, they can go on www.browbarbyreema.com, and we are selling. Yes.
Great. Amazing. So first of all, I got a new brush set from you, and these brushes are just gorgeous and glamorous. I wanted to share those. I love this. In fact, this brush set has been very well traveled since I got it last year at the Emmys. I wore it out. I just love it. And in this special box, I got also my gorgeous friend Victoria.
Yes.
From that
she's my favorite model.
She's such a bombshell, isn't she?
Yeah, she is.
You're doing the hashtag initiative Bombshell Brow, right?
Yes. Yes.
So fun. I just love that. Okay, so what is step one for getting that DIY glamorous brow? Because I have a picture on my Instagram. In fact, my Instagram profile picture is from the shoot we did together. I
Yes,
got
we did.
so many compliments, and I've never felt more beautiful in a photograph or in person. Your team truly brought out, I think, my absolute best, like sexy, sultry self. And now I'm
You're
sheltered in
beautiful
place.
yourself.
Oh, thank you. But now I'm sheltered in place, and I feel so far from that.
I have some tips for that. I have
Oh
some
my
tips for
goodness.
that.
So what
Yeah.
can we do? I mean, while we're
Well,
here.
I can start off from one of my favorites. This is called the Bombshell Brow Kit.
Okay.
This is sleek. This is a lightweight. So for people that are sheltered in place and they have their brows growing, so it has a beautiful golden tweezer. So you can always tweeze your stray hairs if you want.
Yes.
Without messing with your actual shape. So for shaping, of course, you have to come to me.
Yeah.
Or come to a store. So you can only just get the stray hairs, not mess with the shape. So we have a beautiful tweezer for that. And then I have a beautiful brush along with that. This kit.
Oh,
So you can
yeah.
go, we have two colors. One is dark and one is light. So whatever is your favorite. If you go with the dark, you get bold brows. If you go with the light, you get natural. So I usually go with my dark because I like my brows bold. So you take that little bit and you gently go on your brows. So you see my brows, like I didn't fill my brows in for this. So I can show you the difference. So
mine are totally naked too. So I'm going to do this with you.
So you gently fill in the brows. Less is more. And because my products are highly pigmented, it's 100% natural. You don't have to worry about the parabens. It's cruelty free.
Oh,
You see the difference? Do you see the difference?
Oh, absolutely. Well, you can see the difference in mine too.
Yeah, I can see it totally.
No brow.
Yeah.
You know what I love too about this compact, Reema, is that it is the perfect thing for a girl like me who's on the go all the time. I can slip this in my purse because I can have a little bit of brow and eyeshadow and the tweezers. It's like my emergency touch-up kit.
Anytime. It's mine too. Well, I have a special product beneath the colors. If you see, this is brow lift.
This one. Okay.
Yeah, the third one.
Okay.
Yeah. So what I do with this is I take a little dab of it and I just go below the brow line. This is to actually, bring out your brow shape. So it also covers the stray hair if you have any. It lifts it's an instant brow lift. Just like an eye lift, this is a brow lift.
I see the difference now? Brow lift, no brow lift.
Exactly.
Oh, I feel super vulnerable right now. I've never done it on camera. No brows yet. Here we go.
Yep.
This is what you do when you're in quarantine.
Yes. Take care of your brows.
I will still need you after this, though, Reema.
Of course.
I promise you.
Anytime, anytime. So now the fourth one I have is a highlighter. Okay, I'll wait for you to finish. This is the fourth one, is a highlighter. Yeah. So you just take a dab of it and go below the brow line here. This is a brow bone. So just dab it. So this gives that bling to your brows.
Ooh, I like a little bling in my brow.
Yeah. You see that? Now you see the difference between your before and your after.
Wow. It's already so much more glamorous.
Yeah. So here's my take. Even if you're sheltering at home, so you can still look glamorous to your boyfriend, your husband, your family. So you have your brows on.
FaceTime lover, whatever that
exactly.
Yeah. Now, Reema, I noticed that there's a pencil in here. What should I use the pencil for as opposed to the powder?
Well, okay, no, because pencil is always an add-on. If you want to outline your brows in case you have bald spots or you want to create hair-like fine lines, so you have a pencil. That's an option. You know?
I definitely DIY'd myself a bald spot this week. Trying to do my brows, Reema, myself. This has been very stressful.
Exactly. And that's why you have a pencil. You just fill it in. So some girls I know, they're more comfortable with their brow pencils. So they have better controls. So that's why I put this in the kit. So that's why it's called a Bombshell Brow Kit.
Now, I would also like to use this as an eyeliner. Can I double
You can.
a little?
Yeah, of course. You can multi-use it for whatever reason, yeah. You can use it on your waterline too, on your eye.
Yeah, just for a little, I mean,
Sure.
Since it is my go-to kit. There we go. Okay. Jeez, now I'm looking more like myself. You might recognize me, world, by the time I'm done with this.
You look glamorous always.
Oh, I don't know, Reema. I mean, the lashes have fallen off like little leaves. It's like everything is falling apart. There goes my nails. There went my lashes. Now I've got a bald spot in the brow. I have a face mask on and my skin freaked out. I'm like, I'm unrecognizable. I know we've got big problems in the world, but you want to feel like yourself. And this is definitely helping. Okay, now I also, in this great kit that I got from you, got a microblading pen. And
yes, that's the one here.
Everybody's talking about, you know, microblading, and I haven't got my eyebrows microbladed yet. One, I don't know if I want to, but two, if you can teach me how to DIY this. I've got this True Brow microblading pen.
This is my most favorite microblade pen. Okay. The reason is because it is waterproof, it's smudge proof, and it lasts on your brows for about 15 to 16 hours. So it is an all-nighter. Okay, so this is a single girl's dream, because you want to wake up and still look like the way you went to sleep. Exactly. Okay, now we know. If you look at this, it has those 4 tips. Look at this. It has 4 micro tips. Okay, it creates a hair-like lines on your brows. It's pretty natural. And again, this is smudge proof. It doesn't move. It's sweat proof, waterproof. And it has no parabens, cruelty free. It's all natural. And the best thing is it lasts for about 15 to 16 hours. Wow. And it is very light. You know, you don't have to, like, less is more with this product. Less is more. Yep. So this is, I mean, in fact, to tell you, this is flying off my shelves. It actually doesn't even make it to the shelves. It is selling off from the warehouse. So this is something that everyone needs to get their hands on. Oh, absolutely. It has 3 shades, light, medium, and dark. So. Yes. Yule Drix, you do need one of these. We've got to ship this to Michigan. Yep. 16 hours. Wow, that's 16 hours. Yep. This will be great for those, you know, social distance hikes I've been doing by myself for hours on end, just so I can get outside. At least I know my brow won't move. Now, I have a question too, Reema, about brow gel, because I've got this great kit from you as well. And I love, one, how chic your packaging is. The gold is so chic, but two, that this gel stays in place. It stays in place, yeah. It is my classic. It is my classic. It's been out there for more than 20 years. And this is the most lovable product. It is light again. It's a mini version of my Bombshell kit. And there has an add-on of this beautiful mascara. It is a brow gel. So it holds the brows in place. So I'm going to show you. Well, it has 2 shades. It's dark and light. This is for the nightwear. This is for the daywear. And this is, again, the brow lift. We just used it. And the best part is it has like 2-sided brush. One is for the product, the brows, and the other one is for the lift, the brows, this one. Yeah. Mm-hmm. So you can blend it. Wow. Honestly, I look like a night and day difference from when I started this video. Night and day. See? And this is a beautiful mascara. Have you used it? I have not. Tried it on? Yeah, try it on. You'll love it. This is mascara? Yeah, it is like a brow mascara. Yep. You call it a gel. And you call it brow mascara. Okay. Yeah. I'm really nervous about this. Just go gentle. Just go very light. Oh, wow. Yeah. It's tinted, so you might want to go very careful.
Ooh, my goodness. Such a difference. I'm feeling more like myself, Reema.
Yeah, you look gorgeous. Well, I want to tell you something too. Apart from the hand sanitizers, we are giving away the N95 masks with the sale of $50 worth of products. So,
really?
Yep.
Wow.
So I know that you don't find this in the market right now, but then I could get hands on this. So this is a beautiful mask that if you guys want, it's $50 for the sale, and this is free.
Well, that is incredible because I haven't been able to. I've literally been doing DIY masks.
Oh, okay.
With scarves and t-shirts. You know, so many of us weren't expecting that, you know, in the state of
but
California.
This is the real deal. Yeah, this is the real deal. Yeah,
that is the real deal. Thank you for that. You've got a really great TikTok campaign happening right now too.
Yes, we are. We're excited about it.
With the chrome. So tell us a little bit about that.
Well, we have, I think we're giving away 2 shades of chrome lipsticks. One is my favorite blue tint. I think it's Lust Me and Midnight Blue, the 2 colors.
Yeah, I've got the blue right here. This is definitely going to have to make a red carpet appearance. Check that out.
Oh, yes, that's the color. That's the color.
So chic. Okay, I feel like we've got day and night.
Oh, you got the honey buns. Okay.
I did get the honey buns and midnight blues.
Yes, yes.
Love that. I'm going to put honey buns on right now.
Sure, yeah.
True Shine Chrome Lipstick. Ooh, wow.
Well, it has a tint. It is shimmery and it lasts.
It's a really subtle tint.
About 8 to 9 hours, yeah.
It's so smooth. It's not sticky at all. And I love that it's a little metallic. I feel like I'm wearing rose gold on my lips.
It looks so beautiful on you.
Oh, thank you.
I can see it, yeah.
Well, I mean,
really
this is a great look, especially while I'm sheltering in place, to just be able to do my brows, put on a little lip gloss, then I can come and have an IG live and save these for the red carpet. I mean, these are gorgeous. Hollywood Icon Luxe Lash Collection. What I love even better, Reema, is the inside. I'm not perfect, but my lashes are. Tell me.
Oh, okay, yeah. It's a beautiful coat, yes.
It's beautiful. I love them. Well, you are going to keep me red carpet ready. Healthy with the masks and the hand sanitizers and glamorous. Thank you, Reema. I really do appreciate it.
You're welcome. Thank you.
So please remind everybody where they can find and follow you and, of course, get your great products.
Well, I'd like to tell the viewers that, you know, guys, love you. Stay safe, stay sheltered. We're all in it together. And then if you guys want to follow me, because I'm doing weekly tutorials of how to take care of yourself, like self-care. So follow me on www.brabar.myreema.com.
Oh, and I can't wait to come visit you in Beverly Hills. I know you've got 75 other locations.
Yes, yes.
And we really hope they open soon. Our prayers are with you.
Can't wait for that. Can't wait for that.
I'm so grateful that you're happy and healthy. And thank you for making us feel like our most beautiful.
Thank you. Thank you, Jezlan. Love you. Thank you.
Love you too,
Bye.
Reema. Take care.
Bye. Take care.